Entec UK designs and manufactures professional wood chippers. Feedback from our customers over the years has helped create a range of high-performance, affordable chippers. There are 5 basic models in the Entec range: the ultra-compact Treebusta, the versatile truck loader, the tough PTO truck loader, the powerful PTO hydraulic chippet, and the high-spec chippet 30DH with water-cooled diesel engine and twin hydraulic feed rollers. The rest of this video shows each machine in detail, so you can decide which Entec chipper best suits your needs. The Treebusta is a full-strength industrial chipper designed to get through small gaps. It's been scaled down from our larger chippers, but uses the heavy gauge of metal essential for a professional chipper. The 13 horsepower Honda engine is smooth, quiet and dependable. The Treebusta will chip bigger branches faster than any other chipper or shredder of a similar size or price. With its huge feed funnel specially designed to produce positive blade feed, you can easily chip branches up to 90mm diameter with little or no pruning. With 2 men feeding, it's possible to chip a ton of brash per hour. The 2 blades are 7 inches long and give a full sweep of the feed aperture. They are fully hardened right through and can be sharpened many times. The chips eject to the side and can be easily collected on a ground sheet or in a rubble sack. The Treebusta is small enough for you to wheel through a house if you need to gain access to an awkward garden. The Treebusta is the most effective ultra-compact chipper you can buy. The truck loader V18RS is one of the most popular machines in the Entec range. Entec chippers tow smoothly and fast on all types of road, and the low centre of gravity keeps the chipper safe when cornering. Off-road, the big wheels give plenty of ground clearance and roll easily when the going gets soft. The truck loader is powered by the Vanguard 18 horsepower recoil start industrial engine, which comes with a 2-year warranty. The truck loader will appeal to those who require a reliable, high-performance chipper at a realistic price. The huge inlet funnel can accept most branches as cut from the tree. Tests have shown that it's quicker to put brash through an Entec chipper than loaded onto a truck. Experienced users tell us that 1 load of chips is equal to 5 loads of well-tied-down brash. As a guide, 2 tons of brash will make about 5 cubic meters of chips. Once put through the machine, you have a saleable product instead of an expensive visit to the tip. Even burning requires many extra trips and valuable time tending the fire. Folding the funnel shut keeps the blades protected from the weather and provides a good space for your name. The discharge unit can be rotated and the bucket is adjustable to control the distance the chips are thrown. The truck loader is a reliable high output chipper with outstanding mobility at an unbeatable price. The PTO truck loader is recommended for tractors from 15 horsepower upwards. Supplied with Category 1 fittings as standard, Category 2 fittings are available for larger tractors. This chipper is ideally suited to nurseries, parks, golf courses and landscapers who can make effective use of their tractors and want the best chipping performance with the least capital outlay. As with all Entec chippers, the PTO truck loader is heavily constructed and designed to cope easily with the harsh conditions associated with PTO equipment. With a gearbox in place of the engine, belts are used to deliver smooth power. Performance of the PTO truck loader depends on tractor power. As a guide, 16 horsepower will chip branches up to 3-inch diameter, while 40 horsepower is sufficient to chip branches up to 5-inch diameter. The efficient cutter head with positive blade feed achieves maximum chipping performance with any given horsepower. The PTO truck loader is fitted with heavy-duty skids, not support legs, so if the tractor is moved without raising the chipper, no damage will occur. The PTO truck loader is a very competitively priced, high-performance professional chipper, capable of fitting a wide range of tractors. For people with 20 to 40 horsepower available at the PTO, Entec offer the Chippet PTO Hydraulic. This chipper has the added benefit of twin hydraulic feed rollers and an even bigger feed funnel with low load height. The twin feed rollers are powered direct from your tractor's hydraulics using quick-release couplings. Both rollers have their own hydraulic motors to give the chipper incredible pulling power. Clever design has made these rollers excellent at dealing with particularly awkward material without wrapping or jamming. The feed funnel has a drop-down feed table and a control bar to control the direction of the feed rollers. By utilizing the tractor hydraulics, Entec have created a powerful PTO chipper at a very sensible price. For maximum chipping performance with economy, Entec offer the Chippet 30DH. Fitted with a 30 horsepower Kubota 4-cylinder water-cooled diesel engine, low-load feed hopper and twin hydraulic feed rollers, this machine chips fast and effortlessly with frugal running costs. The engine is liquid-cooled for minimum noise and continuous running at high power. The 4 cylinders produce smooth torque over a wide power band. Other benefits include heavy-duty road chassis with auto-reverse brakes, hours counter, electric starting, large-capacity fuel tank, completely enclosed sound-insulated engine compartment, overheat shutdown and blade changing access hole. The diesel Chippet will chip any sort of brash from hedge prunings to 6-inch diameter timber at over 2 tons per hour. This chipper remains manageable for manhandling on site, unusual for a chipper of this power and performance. When making your comparisons with this chipper against its rivals, check these important features. Does it have a quality 4-cylinder water-cooled diesel engine? Twin hydraulic feed rollers, able to handle awkward shapes and very fine material without clogging or wrapping. Separate hydraulic motors for each roller to give maximum torque. Detachable feed roller blades for easy long-term maintenance. Enclosed engine compartment to keep noise to a minimum, the engine clean, and the operator safe from moving parts. The diesel Chippet has all of this and more, making it probably the most sought-after chipper in the UK today. All Entec chippers are designed for easy maintenance. The Treebusta and Truckloader V18RS have open engines. The diesel daily checks can be made through the lift-up bonnet section. The insulated side panels are easily removed for engine servicing. Air filters, oil filters, bearings, belts and blades are always easy to maintain, whatever Entec machine you choose. Changing the blades on the gravity feed chippers is easy. Undo the 4 flange nuts and remove the feed funnel. Fit the safety screw. Undo the 5 blade screws and lift the blade out. Each machine is fitted with 2 blades. On all Entec models, the blades sit in a machine's recess in the rotor, so the blade screws do not take the main force of the chipping action. This is a lot safer than having them bolted straight to the face of a rotor. Refitting blades is the reverse of removal. Blade clearances are preset, so adjustment is not necessary. Entec blades are made of a special stainless steel. Unlike most others, Entec blades are hardened right through, so the blades can be resharpened many times. The life of an Entec blade may be measured in years. The finished blade is extremely tough and guaranteed against breakage. Changing the blades in the hydraulic chippers is even easier. These chippers use a different design of blade and rotor to the rest of the range, and coupled to the hydraulic feed produce a fine and consistent chip. Tests and timings show conclusively that a pile of brushwood can be fed through an Entec chipper quicker than it can be loaded onto a truck. Experienced users tell us that 1 truckload of chips is equal to 5 loads of well-tied-down brushwood. A major feature of Entec chippers is their compact size and versatility, which makes it easy to get close to the work. Chipping on site is much quicker than any other method of brushwood disposal due to reduced handling. With a reasonable-sized trailer or truck, it's often possible to clear a whole day's work in one trip. Entec chipper users have told us that some of their job times have been halved. When you own an Entec chipper, you will appreciate the heavy-duty construction which allows you to work the chipper hard all day. The thoughtful design that encourages operator maintenance, keeping service costs low. The ability to be man-handled onto site and discharge chips through 270 degrees, allowing your team to stay working on site with no more trips to the tip, no more tipping charges, no more burning, worrying about smoke or tending fires. An Entec chipper shows your customers that you are a professional workforce and environmentally aware. With reduced times on site, this enables you to be more efficient and quote competitively, turning waste brushwood into a valuable product, giving you an important competitive edge.